This is the scenario that's at the junkyard. Your wheel's off the ground, handbrake isn't working, and you gotta get the wheel off. You don't have an impact, but you got a breaker bar. So the way I like to do this, I release the handbrake and the wheel spins freely now. And what you want to do is you get the inertia of the wheel to loosen. Is that the right way? Yeah. So you want your arm down when it's loosening. And this will take the bolt out if you get in this situation. So you don't have to jack the car or lower the car. Now it doesn't actually work if you go this way because your arm has too much spring in it when it's at the top. So you want the arm to be at the bottom because it can't extend anymore.